Speaking to Media Plus, the Pro-Vice Chancellor of MIT University Meghalaya, Dr. Debmalya Bhattacharya, spoke at length about the mission and vision of the MIT University that has been established in the state of Meghalaya with an aim to cater to higher learning for students of the state.
Years to come. Next, if I can consider next 5 years, the university will go very way far. As I told you that we have taken our own land, we are going to build our own campus, and currently we are running in our the project office like that. It's a small in a small building, but our as soon as our campus will start, it will come with a huge potential. Our state student will be benefited with variety of courses. You know that most of the students after their graduation or after their 10+2 examination, they are going out of Shillong for the better studies. They are going to Pune, they are going to Bangalore, they are going to Delhi, they are going to South. Instead of going to other state, we will stick all the students here in Shillong itself to give them a good education, good quality education with all kind of campus facilities in our campus.
We are here, we are open with professional courses like BBA, we have BCA, MBA and MCA programs to cater to the young students of this region. They are professional programs specially designed and catered towards achieving 100% placement assistance for the students of the university. We wish all the students the very best in their careers, and we would like to welcome you all to come join MIT University and visit the campus to get more information about us.